US after completing his education and was faced with the reality of numerous Hindus converting to other religions. Presently, Pandit Rajan travels to India every month to enhance his knowledge of the scriptures through the guidance of his guru. Pandit Rajan, responsible for the promotion and preservation of Sanatana Dharma and Hindu culture while engaging in projects, programs, and activities to foster academic, moral, and spiritual development among all in society. Pandit Rajan Bhalgavin, thank you so much for gracing us with your presence here tonight. Without further ado, please welcome Pandit Rajan Bhalgavin, everyone.
Shri Ramachandra Bhagavan ki Jai. Shri Krishna Lal ki Jai. Om Namas Chandikayai Namah Parvati Pataye Har Har Mahadev. Shivatane Varishtham Sarvakalyanamurtim Parashu Kamalahastam Shobhitam Modakena Aruna Kusumamala Byalalambodaram Tam Mama Hriday Nivasam Shri Ganesham Namami. Sharanagat Dinartha Paritrana Parayane Sarvasyarthi Hare Narayani Namostute. Vishweshvam Madhavam Dhundim Dandapanim cha Bhairavam Vande Kashi Guhyam Ganga Bhavani Mani Karnika. Agre Kurunam Ath Pandavanam Dushasanena Pritavastakesha Krishna Tadakrosha Ganganatha Govinda Damodar Madhavete Govinda Madhavete Govinda Damodar Madhavete Govinda Damodar Madhavete Govinda Damodar Madhavete. Vishwottara पत्यादि हेतवे तापत्रय विनाशाय श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नमः। श्री बद्रीनारायण भगवान की जय। श्री अनंत पद्मनाभ स्वामी की जय। श्री जगन्नाथ जी महाराज की जय। श्री द्वारकाधीश भगवान की जय। वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। अखंड मंडलाकारं
व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी प्रभु सो दशरथ अजिर बिहारी। मंगल भवन मंगल हारी प्रभु सो दशरथ अजिर बिहारी। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई। श्री राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम। श्री राम जय जय राम। मंगल मूर्ति मारुत नंदन सकल अमंगल मूल निकंदन। पवन तनय संतन हितकारी हृदय विराजत अवध बिहारी। श्री राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम। श्री राम जय जय राम। पवन तनय संकट हरण मंगल मूर्ति रूप राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसहु सुरभूप। पवन सुत हनुमान की पवन सुत हनुमान की। आदरणीय पंडित मुनीलाल महाराज जी, my dear, the fairer version of myself, Pandit Hardat Ashwar ji. He confused even his little son. Whenever he introduced me, he would say, my brother Pandit Rajan Balgobin. So his son came up to me and says, are the two of you really brothers? I said, can't you see the resemblance? Can't you see our height, our physique? Kept asking me again, are the two of you really brothers? Then how come he's fair and you're dark? And he's one of our stalwarts, upcoming stalwarts. His little son Bhuvan. He's already taken Vyasa. He's a Bala Vyasa, as we would call him. Colin ji, you did a wonderful job in introducing all of us. A few mistakes here and there, but I'll forgive you for that. I wish I can afford to go to India every month. That's number one. Number two, I also wish I can afford it. I wish I can afford it, and I wish I had the time to do it every month. Something also that I think you should have included about Pandit Hardatji, he has just commissioned my, even he's less than 40 years old, okay? He's younger than me. He's not even reached 40 yet. And he has built a $5 million Canadian dollar temple, my dear ones, in Brampton, Toronto, Canada, the Bhavani Shankar Mandir. It's a place that you must, it's a mandir you must have darshan of Bhagwanji when you go there. When youngsters like these, who are younger, much younger than I am, can accomplish such wonderful and noble act, it's not the person that I'm praising, it's the goodness that is in them that I praise, the nobility that is within them that I praise. Bhakti Sargam 2017. I'm fortunate that I have a group of musicians who are accompanying me here today. Ravi Mishra, Umesh Yadram, Anand Sriram, and Rokeshji. But sometimes I don't have musicians to accompany me. So my Guruji always says, when you don't have anyone to accompany you, call on him, call on Krishna, and he will accompany you on the flute. So I tell Shri Krishna, when I sing, please come and play music on the flute for me. You must swear on Mother Yashoda and Nanda Baba that you will come. You must swear on Radharani and the gopis that you will come. And I hold you to your promise in the Bhagavad Gita that you will come. Govinda mein teri ban gaye. Govind mein teri ban gaye, tum mere ban jana. मैं जब भी गीत गाऊं, मुरली बजाते आना, आना कान्हा मुरली बजाते आना। गोविंद में तेरी बन गए, तुम मेरे बन जाना। मैं जब भी गीत गाऊं, मुरली बजाते आना, आना कान्हा मुरली बजाते आना। तुझ यशोदा मैया की कसम, नंद बाबा की कसम। तुझ यशोदा मैया की कसम, नंद बाबा की कसम। ग्वाल और गैया की कसम, माघ की मैया की कसम। ग्वाल और गैया की कसम, देव की मैया की कसम। गोविंद में तेरी बन गए, तुम मेरे बन जाना। मैं जब भी गीत गाऊं, मुरली बजाते आना, आना कान्हा मुरली बजाते आना। घन घोर घटा की कसम, नाचते मोर की कसम। घन घोर घटा की कसम, नाचते मोर की कसम। माखन चोर की कसम, नंद किशोर की कसम। गोविंद में तेरी बन गए, तुम मेरे बन जाना। मैं जब भी गीत गाऊं, मुरली बजाते आना, आना कान्हा मुरली बजाते आना। गोविंद में तेरी बन गए, तुम मेरे बन जाना। मैं जब भी गीत गाऊं, मुरली बजाते आना, आना कान्हा मुरली बजाते आना। आना कान्हा मुरली बजाते आना, आना कान्हा मुरली बजाते आना। राधा रानी की कसम, प्रेम दीवानी की कसम। कृष्ण प्रेम की कसम, योग क्षेम की कसम। गोविंद में तेरी बन गए, तुम मेरे बन जाना था ना, मैं जब भी गीत गाऊं मुरली बजाते आना. And when he will come, he will play sweet music for me. And then we will eat together. Dadhidungire Savariya. Just like you eat with your friends, you treat your friends. So also, I treat my Krishna also. Because once he starts playing the flute, once peace is there, you don't want anything or anyone to disturb that peace. So Krishna, I don't want this music to come to an end. I don't want the sound of the basuri to come to an end. So I'm going to bribe him with some lovely things. Some laddu, some pera, some barfi, some makhan. Okay? I'm going to bribe him. Dadhidungi re savariya thore, dadhidungi re savariya thore, bansi to bajaye thore, murli to sunaye. Dadhidungi re savariya thore, bansi to bajaye thore, murli to sunaye. Dadhidungi re savariya thore, bansi to bajaye thore, murli to sunaye. Dadhidungi ऐसे तो बजाए जैसे वृंदावन में बाजे रे, ऐसे तो बजाए जैसे वृंदावन में बाजे रे, चारे में धेनु मगन होए जाए. Dadhidungi re, चारे में धेनु मगन होए जाए. Dadhidungi re, dadhidungi re savariya thore, bansi to bajaye thore, murli to sunaye. Dadhidungi re. ऐसे तो बजाए जैसे जमुना तट पे बाजे रे, ऐसे तो बजाए जैसे जमुना तट पे बाजे रे, बाहें तो नीर तुरंत थम जाए. Dadhidungi re, बाहें तो नीर तुरंत थम जाए. Dadhidungi re, dadhidungi re savariya thore, bansi to bajaye thore, murli to sunaye. Dadhidungi re, dadhidungi re savariya thore, bansi to bajaye thore, murli to sunaye. Dadhidungi re. ऐसे तो बजाए जैसे माधोवन में बाजे रे, ऐसे तो बजाए जैसे माधोवन में बाजे रे, संग की सहेली मगन होए जाए. Dadhidungi re, संग की सहेली मगन होए जाए. Dadhidungi re, dadhidungi re savariya thore, bansi to bajaye thore, murli to sunaye. Dadhidungi re, dadhidungi re savariya thore, bansi to bajaye thore, murli to sunaye. Dadhidungi re, dadhidungi re savariya thore, bansi to bajaye thore, murli to sunaye. Dadhidungi re, dadhidungi re, dadhidungi re, dadhidungi re savariya thore, bansi to bajaye thore, murli to sunaye. Dadhidungi re, dadhidungi re savariya thore, bansi to बजाए थोड़ी मुरली तो सुना दधे दूंगी रे. And then we have a lot of things to say to Bhagwan. Many times we have lots of complaints. Many times we have lots of requests. I have one among my few requests. Can't say I don't have any requests of Bhagwan yet. I still have a few desires remaining. I say to him, Prabhu, in every birth that I may have to take, whether human or non-human, let us always be together. Let me have this ability, let me have this opportunity to serve you, Prabhu, to serve you. I was so happy that one of my musicians, he's not among them who are seated on stage here today, but he said one of the most wonderful things to me. He said, Panditji, when I die, I want to come back as a human being. And I want to know you again in my next birth, which means I have to come back also. Right? He says, I want to come back in my next birth and I want to be associated with you again. And I want us to, he wants to play music for me, which means I have to come back my next birth also, singing Bhagwanji's praises. It's one of the nicest things anyone ever said to me. Because most people say, I never want to meet you again in my life. But here is this one individual who says, I hope in my next birth also, I get the opportunity to accompany you in Katha. I have to praise him. Dena hai to dijiye, janam janam ka saath. मेरे सिर पर रख दो कांधा, मेरे सिर पर रख दो श्यामा, अपने दोनों हाथ, देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ, देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ. मेरे सिर पर रख दो कान्हा, मेरे सिर पर रख दो श्यामा, अपने दोनों हाथ, देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ, देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ. सुना है हमने शरणागत को अपने गले लगाते हो, ऐसे हमने क्या मांगा जो देने में कतराते हो. सुना है हमने शरणागत को अपने गले लगाते हो, ऐसा हमने क्या मांगा जो देने में कतराते. चाहे सुख में या तो दुख में, चाहे सुख में रखो या दुख में, बस होती रहे मुलाकात, देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ, देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ. मेरे सिर पर रख दो कान्हा, मेरे सिर पर रख दो श्यामा, अपने दोनों हाथ, देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ,
देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ.
झुलस रहे हैं हम की धूप में प्यार की छैया कर दे तू, बिन पानी के नाव चले ना अब पतवार पकड़ ले तू. मेरा रास्ता रोशन कर दे, मेरा रास्ता रोशन कर दे, छाई अब अंधियारी रात, देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ, देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ. मेरे सिर पर रख दो कान्हा, मेरे सिर पर रख दो रामा, अपने ये दोनों हाथ, देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ, देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ, देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म 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 का साथ सुना है हमने, शरणागत को अपने गले लगाते हो। प्रभु, we've been told through scriptures, Bhagavad, Ram Katha, Ramayana, that whoever surrenders to you, you embrace them wholeheartedly. Wholeheartedly you would embrace them. तो प्रभु मेरे बारी कब आओगे? When will you come to embrace me? The main reason I support this program, my dear ones, and I must compliment you on a holiday weekend to give up a few hours for bhajans. Please clap for yourselves. This is not entertainment. We are not performers. We are Panditjis, yeah. 179 years out of India, and we still know the value of a dhoti and a kurta. Right? You should applaud for us too. We still know the value of our mala. We still know the value of our tilakam. We still know the value of Bhagavad and Ramayana. Because what would our society be without scriptures? Where would our society be without satsang? Where would we be without bhajan? Bhajans place us in a most positive state of mind. We have to give compliments to bhajans for that. In the morning when you wake up between 6 a.m. to probably 8 a.m. it's bhajan time, isn't that so? After bhajan comes Bollywood. Then after Bollywood, the unholy music you're listening to in Richmond Hill right now called Chutney Wood. Loud, vulgar music. Right? Each one of them puts you in a different state of mind. When you're listening to bhajan, your worst enemy can come and sit next to you and it will not affect you. Why? In listening to bhajan, your mind is not with you, your mind is with Bhagavan. Your mind is with Bhagavan. And I particularly support this program because my love for bhajan, it has given me a lot during my childhood days, it's done a lot for me during my childhood days, into my adult years, and now my senior years. Oh wow. I was hoping one of you would say, Panditji, it's not your senior years yet. It's okay. Now into my senior years also, my love for bhajan continues. Now I shared this idea with one of my musicians, what I was going to say to you, and was a little bit not in favor of it, but nevertheless, who cares? Bhajan comes in different categories. We have lok bhajans. Lok bhajans is folk bhajans. Folk bhajans which are not so polished, they're very rustic. I've done this many times for you before. If we have Ramayana Geet, for example, we have bhajans for every episode. Every major episode of Ramcharitramanas, we have a bhajan that goes along with it, that gives you the katha itself. And most of it is written in olden days in Bhojpuri Bhasha, in Bhojpuri language. There's one particular one, this is Vishwamitra's katha. Ram Lakhan dono bhaiya आवध रहवैया मुनि के संग आए हैं राम लखन दोनों भैया आवध रहवैया मुनि के संग आए हैं राम लखन दोनों भैया आवध रहवैया मुनि के संग